Hello boys and girls, this is your science teacher Miss Zara. Today we are going to learn something new. Let's go! Before we start, let's do a quick review. What is force? A force is a push or pull on an object. It can cause an object to accelerate, slow down, remain in place, or change shape. There are two main types of forces. What are they? Yes, there are contact forces and non-contact forces. Under contact forces, there are frictional force, tension force, normal force, air resistance force, and spring force. On the other hand, there are gravitational force, electrical force, and magnetic force under non-contact forces. Okay, so in this video, you will be learning about spring force. Spring force can also be called as elastic force or elastic spring force. But what is it? Elastic force is the force exerted on an elastic material that can cause it to stretch or compress. An elastic material can return to its original shape after being stretched or compressed. As you stretch or compress it, it resists the change in shape. It exerts a counter force in the opposite direction, and that force is called elastic force. Do you know what objects are elastic? Here are some examples for you. Hair scrunchies, rubber band, and springs. Alright, let's find out how elastic force is exerted on this telephone cord. As I stretch it, there is force applied on both ends of the telephone cord. Whereas, the elastic force is exerted from the opposite direction. And as soon as the stretching force is released, the elastic force causes the telephone cord to spring back to its original shape. Another example is when a squashy spring is compressed, the elastic spring force pushes back in the opposite direction to try to get back to its normal shape. In conclusion, elastic spring force is exerted on an elastic material when it is stretched or compressed. Yay! Here comes the end of our video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the discussion section. Goodbye!
Created using Powtoon.